I'm stuck at home. But you know, sister, me in good spirits. Life is what you make it, you know. Life is what you make it. My whole life buckled today. But we're out here without fear. I need to really stop saying that. So, for my at-home homebody birthday party, well, just birthday, I just decided to make food to make myself feel nice. You know, I'm not gonna get any cake today because Shanika has work, and Shanika really is the only one that makes my cakes because she's my friend, and you know, we support friends out here. But no cake, but we're out here making the most of it. So we're making breakfast. So I really wanted to go to the beach today for my this year for my birthday, which was like something like I had planned. That's what I like, go beach with my family early morning. But y'all know how this thing got the world going, so I decided to bring the beach to me. So the thing that I like most about beach is the food. So like in Jamaica, there's a tradition that when you go beach, or like when you go like Portmore Beach at least, you eat fish and festival. So today I brought the fish and festival to me. Since we can't go beach, we're gonna bring the fish and festival. So we got 2 pans of Escovitch fish here, made by my lovely mother. And we have the festival dough here. I'm about to fry it up. Roll it long now.
Roll the edge. Yeah, let the middle don't get too thin. Squash it out.
This is a C.
C for? C for?
Chantal.
Chantal. That's right. You got it right.
What are we doing?
Frying festival. Like we're at the beach, but at home. Fry festival fry.
This doesn't even look good.
Bammy time.
And a teenager because
Bammy time.
let's show how the bambies are right there. And now we're just gonna put. Wait, can I see the sea dumpling?
Hold on. Lloyd made me a sea dumpling. C for?
Chantal.
Yeah, show it. C for Chantal.
Actually, how old are you now?
How old I look?
29.
I look 29. How old do you think I am?
It's 14.
14! I'll take it. Not 29, then I'll work. Whose birthday is it? Is it mine or yours? Why your hairstyle looking fly? Why your hairstyle looking fly? Why you screaming? Look at your pretty hairstyle. Wow. No pictures, please? You're not a manners. Not a manners. Nani, box the camera out of my hand. Disrespectful. No!
Come extra and go.
So because I'm extra, as the camera woman said, we have a bottle of Prosecco here. We have a bottle of orange juice. We have some grapes. So we're gonna make a makeshift sangria, samosa type vibes. So let me get my glass. I put it in the fridge to chill. Oh shit.
The brick? Oh.
But I put it in the ice pan. Not bad. All one in there. Not bad. So you see we have a nice frosted glass here. Frosted. We're gonna drop some grapes in that bad boy. We're gonna pour some bubbly. Orange juice. Get the ratio right. You know, big part of cooking is tasting your food. Needs a little more bubbly.
You know, too early in the morning if I drink this.
What's too early? It's 5 o'clock somewhere. Cheers to life!
Let's do some beach sounds now.
Oh my god, we should totally put it on in the background.
We're at the beach.
So to start off the breakfast, I'm gonna have my C is for
Chantal.
dumpling. Ready? Dada! See, I told you she says my name. A festival. Dada!
Like, come like you see a name from Bula and eat it.
Mmm. Tastes better when it's a C.
Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? I think she feels cute. But I don't know what she's saying. Like these color schemes, like they don't match.
I bought these throws for like when I did have my room, and the aesthetic would have been brown with a rustic color. So it would have been like whatever sheet I put on and just like a brown to tie back into the wood, because you know this is the shade Mikal, you know this is the shade wood that I love.
Yeah.
So I bought it because I thought it was perfect, but like I ain't got no bed head, I ain't got nothing, so it's like bitch, where? How?
No, but it's like you have coral and then that and then a green pillow and it's just
I bought that green pillow years ago.
I know,
I'm
but
using it.
it's just like fix it Jesus.
It's gonna be
It
my
makes
everyday
no
pillow.
sense.
You know, and I can sleep with it. It can be my boyfriend.
Well, you got your boyfriend.
That's sweet girl.
Not even about no clue.
Exactly, the camera can't see it.
It's beautiful.
You're welcome, Philly.
So are you surprised? But low key, you know if you do it yourself.
I know
I
you.
don't really deal with emotions well.
So I would say you would say you're pleasantly surprised.
Good. Like, because I mean, COVID just messed up your plans. I'm so sorry.
Me, I ain't had no plans, but they definitely messed them up.
Ahem, cover.
But I'm happy I could, you know, shine some light in this dark.
You say what?
Enjoy. Can you guess what flavor it is? You didn't tell me.
Oh, that's a good one, Shanika. Can you guess what flavor it is?
Is it cheesecake?
No, it's not. I know.
And red velvet?
No, because you know, every I make the cheesecake and red velvet.
I was just like, wow, how many times am I gonna really ask you because my cheesecake and red velvet cake?
Because when Nicole asked me to make the cake, I'm like, okay, it's gonna be cheesecake and red velvet. But then she told me a flavor. I'm like, hey, this is not cheesecake and red velvet. So what is it?
Lemon
I want.
Mommy, can we
and
keep
cream cheese.
Yes,
Ah!
yeah, it
So
is.
get-
Y'all be knowing me.
Yeah, it is. So
No,
it's
it's nice.
Come, Shanika, shameless plug. Crumbs of a kind, J.A.
oh, Crumbs of a Kind J on Instagram. Follow us. Get all your cake needs, cookie needs, baked goods needs.
Period.
And they all taste amazing.
Yeah.
It's
Believe
only
her.
not sense.
Believe her. Right, Lani?
All time, every time, always. Them pretty and them taste good. You know, cake art pretty and taste good. It's pretty and Tastes good. I feel nice. I got my cake. Shanika, bring it come. I don't know if I was telling you guys that I was having the virtual party, but I don't have no cake because Shanika couldn't make it. And so I just gonna go with some rum and turn up. No, I have a cake. Lloyd wants to be in the frame.
Hi. Hi, guys.
That's all you wanted to say?
Auntie got a cake, but it's bigger. It's not the flat ones, but it's a cylinder cake.
It's a tall cake is what I meant to say.
Yeah. Plus, it's a shape of a cylinder.
Yes, it's a cylindrical cake. Good job. Alright guys, I'm combing my hair because I'm going to put on some clothes and take 2 pictures so, you know, I can remember this birthday by. So, yeah, Shanika came, got my cake. It's like my first real birthday vlog because all the other ones were like my birthday activities, but not my birthday.
Oh, I get you.
Yeah. I got my cake. I feel so nice. Good.
It's like
Mommy said she likes my hairstyle, so you know my hairstyle. My mother not ramp for tell me some do look good now. Shine, how that look? Like shit.
and plus.
So here's my fit. Just some flared pants and a top. It's supposed to be like a 2-piece set, but I'm so short that it fit into one, so I just put a belt around it so it would look like a bodysuit. And here's my dark, but that's it. So picture time.
You could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're hearing me. You could be with anyone, I could be with.
But this is the breaded shrimp. I'm gonna put it in the fridge for a little bit and then work on the mac and cheese and then come and fry these up and then make some waffles, and that's it. Simple, nice.
What are you doing?
Cutting up sweet peppers,
What are you making?
mac and cheese.
If you don't believe in me, yeah. You could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here with me. You're here with me. You could be around, but you could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here with me. You're here with me. You could be around, but
And that's it. We just put this bad boy in the oven. Wait, Nicole, back up. Careful. Now we'll just leave that sucker in there until, well, the cheese is melted and crispy and bubbly, and we just think it's the perfect mac and cheese. Alright then, let's fry some shrimp. I have some shrimp in the pot. They look a little burnt with this lighting, but they're gonna be fried to perfection. I no worries. So here I have my waffles. I couldn't get any regular ones, so I got blueberry. I figured it would taste fine, and then I realized that they're like legitimately blue, but whatever. So just gonna pop 2 of those into the toaster. Shrimp and waffles and a side of mac and cheese. So here's the mac and cheese. The finished product's looking real crispy. I actually forgot it in the oven, but like it turned out great. It crisped up just like you want.
Are you a piece that?
Nice corner piece, crispy, cheesy,
Greedy.
yes. Chicken and waffles with a side of mac and cheese. Happy birthday to me. We finished setting up for the party. I'm gonna eat dinner and then go and get ready. So I'm gonna stop vlogging for right now, just so I can keep track of time, because I don't want to be late. It's already 7 o'clock. I don't want to be late for my own party. You get what I mean? So chicken and waffles taste really good. It's like with the syrup. No, shrimp and waffles, sorry. With the syrup, and I put some of this pepper on it. The spice with the sweets, with the crispiness of the shrimp and the waffle. Ooh, nice. Nice. Me cook nice. So gonna do just finish eating and then come next time you see me, I'll be all dolled up.
Thank you, Shanika. I'm in recovery. I am hungover.
I'm dead.
Huh?
He's 32, guys.
In quarantine time, 8:32 is 3 o'clock in the morning.
Ow. Work out that much day.
And your wholeness.
So Shanika, your drinks in them. I see your post on Instagram. Drink later.
Them drinks.
I didn't know that was a requirement.
I was trying to
Even if I water.
Oh yeah, drink. Oh yeah,
vegetable. Go put on some clothes.
I have on clothes. See?
Oh, alright.
Bombay now come out. Oh, just tell me so. That was anticlimactic.
Cheers. As I said, cheers to friendship, cheers to life, cheers to better things.
Cheers. That nice, Candice. That nice.
Cheers.
Wait, hold on.
But you cheers.
My drink.
Shower water. Literally nobody's drinking.
Alright, fine. I don't know. Wait. I want to go on a restaurant.
I prepared for this party. I was so excited. Can you tell I don't get
know where Anna live.
My husband made it.
Anna understands me.
I'm ready. Chantal, your party turn up. I see all bring up the good ice cream, them round ice cream, the special occasion.
Right, I'm ready.
It don't
Yes,
good again.
Candice, ready.
Wow.
Oh, the glass are big.
For alcoholics, hello?
I really should have had wine. It is Good Friday.
Yo, I'm done with the NEC. I want
Cheers,
alone.
let's cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Cheers in 2.
3, 2, 1. Cheers to life.
We're gonna sing happy birthday after 3. 1, 2, 3.
Wow. No. Wow, Marianne, you come out strongy.
And then they say come at up and I tell her about how she did pop down.
Wow. Baby mother, you look good. Turn by the phone.
The pop not a blow, so you have to choose.
Alright, make us sing happy birthday before the candle burn up the cake.
Ready? Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good.
So we're gonna do this Corona style. After 3, we're gonna blow out the candles. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Oh, that worked. No rush. Slow touch. Huh? Oh, you missed the spectacle.
I'm sorry.
She late for the party. 1, 2, 3.
Wow, but I really want to thank you guys for coming. I really want to thank you guys for signing in, clicking that link that I sent you. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for celebrating with me. For the speech, them warm my heart and solidifying myself, so I need to change.
I came late to the dance. I don't want to let this finish, but I'd like to.
Did you just Kanye my birthday?
I'd like to raise a toast to Miss Chantal. I don't know when I drink over here, but I think I'm here.
You drink whatever you want. Anna, you change your drinks?
No.
Alright guys, this frame is super overexposed and I am exhausted, so we're just going to leave it like this. I really hope you guys enjoyed spending my birthday with me. I had such a great time. I was just telling Glenna and Marion them that quarantine literally makes you realize just how much you have to be grateful for. Like, I just celebrated my birthday through a laptop screen with my friends. I feel like today has been one of the best or better birthdays that I've had. So big up to everybody. Thank you, Shanika, for my cake. It's beautiful. I love it and it tastes good. Me not even a gas up my friend, but like gas, cause I true. Stay good, taste nice, look good in the seat. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, be sure to give it a